Hey guys, welcome to my new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to outline, light and cut out a character for thumbnails to make them look really cool. It's super easy, so let's jump right in. Step 1. Create a character. First we need a character, ideally with a green background for the green screen effect. You can create characters in Blender if you want a high quality Minecraft rig, but I'll show you an easier method. Roblox Studio. You can create your own poses and animations with the animation editor there. Step 2. Automatic removal with Capcut. Next we'll use the automatic removal feature in Capcut. Please note that this feature is only available in the paid Capcut Pro version for now. But don't worry, I'll show you 2 free alternatives later on. Step 3. Remove the green background. To remove the remaining green background, use the chroma key function in Capcut. Set the intensity to around 70, which ensures the character is fully cut out. Step 4. Add a frame. Now let's add a cool frame around our character. Activate the frame option in the top right corner of Capcut. You can adjust the style, size and opacity of the frame to your liking. Step 5. Add a background. Next, add a background. You can choose a normal static background or an animated one, as long as you have the rights for commercial use. Step 6. Adjust the character's size now. Adjust the size of your character so it fits perfectly with the background. Play around until you find the best composition. Step 7. Add facial expressions and gestures. This is where it gets exciting. Add facial expressions and gestures to your character by using animated green screen mouth and eye animations. Make sure you have the rights for commercial use. Also remove the background and audio from the video material to keep things clean. Step 8. Alternative. Photopea. If you don't want to use Capcut Pro, you can try Photopea. It's free, but cutting out the character might not always be perfect. Use the magic wand tool to select the character, then right-click and choose Layer via Cut. If needed, use the healing brush tool to fix small errors. Now outline the areas you want to remove, and then press the delete key. You could do this very cleanly and exactly, but the video is only for explanation. Click on File and export the image to download and use it. Step 9. Alternative RemoveBG. All you have to do is select the image and drag and drop it onto the website. The background will be automatically removed and you can immediately use the character without a background. How do I create a glow effect on my characters? Find the glow edges effect in the effects library and drag and drop it onto your character or object. Then you can adjust the intensity of the effect in the properties to your preference. If you want to remove the effect, click on the track where the effect is applied, right-click and choose Remove Effect. And that's it! Now you've learned how to cut out, outline and highlight a character for a thumbnail. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time.